Ladies and gentlemen, we're ready. Now we have an arm wrestling match. All about timing now. All about timing, when to press, when to hold. At least try to bleed each other out. To be a lack of endurance. Center table. Who will have the upper hand? Elbow foul.
Go!
And we're off. Oh, we're here.
Stop.
What's called here? Either one can afford an elbow foul now. They both try to top roll each other, attacking each other's fingers. And this is what arm wrestling is about. It's about timing, precision, power, endurance, technique. Almost went on for 1 minute now. At the semi-finals here in Turkey, Antalya, brought to you by World Arm Wrestling Federation. Remember, these women have been to the preliminary rounds. A lot of fights today. And there's still one more fight. And either of them will win against Turkey's Esra Kiraz in the finals. Very, very equal at the table. Imagine a guy or woman you arm wrestle who has equal strength as you. Very difficult. Very, very difficult to win. Also about who will make the least of mistakes here. When we adjusting. A few more of these attacks here, and I think it's over for the athletes on the right side. Imagine their forearm will be pumped by blood. Very, very difficult to get a firm grip when they have so much pressure on your forearm. And the strap doesn't make it any easier. All the blood be kept in one place in their hands. You see how black their hands are compared to their forearm. I guess there will be a great view from the finalist Esra Kiraz. These two athletes will have nothing left in the tank when either of them wins. It's all about who wants it most now. And there it is, right timing there. Again, when the athletes take a breath, they relax just a millisecond. And this is the open window to attack. Remember, this is all about timing, readjusting, power, speed, and skills. Yeah, now we have it. This is like a free gift to the finalists from Turkey. Ah, there it is. What a match, ladies and gentlemen. But we have a winner.